what's up? This is your girlfriend Reena and welcome back to today's video. Now I have seen this video all over YouTube Shorts and Instagram, and that's when I was like, interesting. I want to do that. I want to do that because in my era of feeling unsexy but still trying to be productive. So why not share with you some unsexy products, some very extremely unaesthetic looking products, but guess what? They are bang for your buck and they're actually productive and are very effective. So if you want to know all things fun, then please keep on watching. Let's go. Number one on the list we have is something inspired from my outfit, aka Kailas Jeevan. Oh my freaking god, this product is literally forever and ever in my house. It's that one of the OG products that you can easily find at any pharmacy whatsoever. It's so affordable, it's so good. It's literally one of those products that you can apply anywhere and everywhere. I have applied this on cuts, on bruises, on cracked heels. At the same time, there are a lot of people who also intake this product. Yes, this is the only edible product that I have on my list, which honestly makes such a huge difference. I know so many of my relatives who wake up in the morning and take a spoon of this, mix it in warm water and just gulp it in. It is apparently very good for gut health and just your internal health in general. You guys, I got onto the whole idea or the trend of tongue take two. Alright, next up on the list we have is tongue scrapers, you guys. Oh my god, this thing is life changing. It makes such a huge difference in your oral hygiene. I just cannot. I don't know why for the longest time I was not using this, and after I've started using this, I cannot go back to not using this. I literally carry this everywhere I go, on vacations and just everywhere. It is such an essential. If you haven't gotten access to this, please get your hands on this. It's the best thing ever. Last time I was traveling to Amritsar, I actually forgot to carry this, and a quick DIY I did, which I don't recommend, is I got a plastic spoon to scrape my tongue because just the feeling of not doing it made me nauseating. So yes, please at all times take care of your oral hygiene. Number 3 on the list we have is a super unsexy product, but honestly, like, honest to god, this makes such a huge difference. Ta-da! This is my huge ginormous foot and hand cream. I am absolutely in love with this. This is by the brand Jiva, and as you can see, there is so much product, and I just love to slather this all over my cracked heels and just love to wear a socks, and even for my hands I love to use this. It's a really intense cream, so I love using this only at night, but I highly encourage you to please get yourself, or rather invest in, a foot and hand cream, because honestly the look of crack and dry feet is really unsexy. So please invest in a good foot cream because that makes such a huge difference. Alright, next up on the list we have is another unsexy product, but again makes such a huge difference for your first impressions, and especially the ones who know, and that, you guys, is your nail health, your cuticle health. And for that you really need to start investing into a cuticle oil. This is as cheap as 70 bucks, but it makes such a huge difference. And the best part is this is travel friendly, so you can easily pop this in your handbag and just whenever needed, just pop it onto your cuticles, and that honestly will not only take good care of your nail health in general, but also your dry flaky cuticles will be healed. And oh my god, just maintaining cuticles in itself is such a task, but having them just pop out here and there, especially when you're in business settings and you're doing handshakes, you're meeting new people, having dry hands and dirty cuticles, or just not so maintained cuticles is not a classy look. Ever since I have started taking care of my cuticles, my hands, my feet, I have started observing these things in others, and that's such a big giveaway of how people take care of themselves. I mean, just like fitness, right? When you look at someone who is in shape and, you know, well built, you know this person is disciplined, you know this person has his life together. Just like that, when it comes to these kind of things, you know how much importance they are giving for self-help and self-care. So yes, please get your hands on this. This is like a adulthood essential, to say the least. All right, next up on the list we have is something you would not see this coming, but honey. I am personally a razor girl. I love to shave, just get it done with. I do not have the patience, or I have the ability to wax myself. Trust me, been there, done it, amen, it's fun. But personally, I'm a shaving girl. It's just easy for me. I love it. However, those female razors that can do yoga and flip and turn and do all sorts of things at 180, 160, 360, whatever degrees, they do not work. I don't know what it is, but first of all, female razors are A, super expensive, and B, despite of all of the yoga that they can perform, the simplest task of removing hair is just something alien to them. Like, how is that possible? I don't get it. I don't know. So personally, I love using men's razor. They are just to the point, get the job done, and thank you very much for your services. That's how simple it is, and that's all I want my razors to do in the first place. Love using men's razor, especially the ones that you get at Miniso. So good, so affordable, absolutely love them. Sadly, I tried to find them on Amazon Miniso but couldn't find. I think they're only exclusively available in store, but very honestly, koi bhi men's razor, as long as it's a men's razor, will do the job. So yes, please start investing in men's razor. Next up on the list I have is an invention which I always knew existed, but I don't know क्यों मुझे नहीं लगा कि मेरे पास ये होना चाहिए. But now that I have this, trust me, I cannot go back. Now personally, I'm not a chewing gum girl, because like, where do I spit it? My anxiety is already like shooting skyrocket the moment I pop chewing gum, knowing ki, oh my god, what am I going to do? Where am I going to throw? Do I have a paper on me? Oh my god, it's going to look so cheap if I'm just like, you know, in public, like chi. I don't like it. I don't do that kind of stuff. And when it comes to like other edibles, again, they have a lot of sugar in them, so like, what is the point? These are stupid calories. I don't want to waste my like, just so much thinking into this. Not a big fan. However, what I really enjoy for keeping my mouth, or rather oral hygiene, especially because I love my garlics, I love my onion in the food, that, you guys, is a mouth spray. A simple invention of mouth peppermint spray is all you need. I literally have like 2 to 3 of this in all of my slings. I just love the invention of this. After every meal, I just like to, that's it. I don't have to chew anything, I don't have to spit anything, just don't have to think twice. It's just so easy. Absolutely love this invention. And every time I feel the urge that I'm hungry, but I know it's just a random thought in my mind and I'm not really hungry, I try to drink a lot of water, and if still I feel the urge to eat, I like to spray this, because the moment you spray peppermint or spearmint in your mouth, you know, that mintiness doesn't make you feel like eat for a really long period. So that's another hack in case if you're on diet. So yeah, I absolutely freaking love this. Oh my god, next up is an invention that honestly I was kinda in two minds when I purchased it, because I could not justify the price, but I cannot imagine my life without this product, and that, you guys, is ta-da! This is the glycolic acid from the House of Ordinary, and I absolutely freaking love this. Do you see how much I've used this? But I've also had this for over a year, and this is all I've used. Now this is that one product that is literally coming through in this summers. All of my heat bumps, my boils, I love to take this on my hand and just pat it all over my face at night. I love to use Kailash Jeevan in the morning and this at night. I also love to use it on my underarms or anywhere I have any flakiness or just uneven skin, just anything skin issue. I love using this. I have heat boils in my scalp at this point. It's that bad. And I also have a lot of dandruff out of literally nowhere. I just pop this baby before my shower, or I keep this on my scalp for like 30 minutes maximum, and I love to wash my hair off. It's literally that one product that I use from my scalp to my toe, everywhere, absolutely everywhere, and I just love this so much. So please get your hands on this if you don't have this already. This is a multi-functioning product. Alright, next up on the list I have for you is something as basic as a gel. You can literally use any gel whatsoever. Currently I'm using the Good Vibes orange gel. I love using a facial gel in so many different ways. Something as basic as aloe vera gel bhi aap use kar sakte ho on your preference. Like I said, currently I'm using this one. I love to use gel when I'm shaving my face. I love to use my gels when my skin is extremely irritated, which I don't know what it is. Ever since I've come back from Amritsar and Delhi last week, my skin has been irritated with the slightest touch. Like I touch my skin, it's red, it's irritated. I'm just like, wow, I thought those are only things my mood and my emotional EQ are capable of, but not my skin. But apparently all hell is broken and I've turned into a sensitive person, inside out, literally. So in that case I need to be very mindful. So I love to keep this in the fridge. Every time I feel my skin is irritated, I just like to pop this on my skin and just feel so calm and so cooling. I love to use this as a night mask as well. After I apply all of my skincare, I just like to use this as a topical layer. There are just so many ways you can use a gel, so please invest in one. You will forever thank me. So yes, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please guys, कितने सारे लोगों ने subscribe नहीं किया. That's basics, guys. Come on, help your girl grow this channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.